Okay, so the problem in
Yes,
monolithic
Dr. Ravi.
application. Okay, let's see that. Okay, problem in what? Major problem. We seen that, right? We seen that where that one. This load balancer. If multiple resources means what? Multiple instances are there. If multiple instances is there, how resource utilization in proper manner, right? In proper manner, how we can see that. Let's understand those things, then we will design what, then we will see that in the microservices design pattern, right? Then we will see that in those things only in micro. Hi Sudhir. Okay, no issue. Okay, so fine, right? So monolithic, right? Monolithic. So today we will see that, right? Today we will see that how memory in proper manner will be there, right? Memory resource utilization will be not there in monolithic application. In monolithic application, what resource utilization is not there properly, guys. Okay, so now let's understand. Just I'm giving the heading itself only, guys. Okay, so problem with what? Problem in what? Monolithic monolithic application, right? What is the problem in monolithic application? So just normally, guys, resource utilization improper, right? Resource utilization improper is there, right? Memory usage, resource utilization improper means what? Memory utilization is not there, right? Proper memory utilization is not there. So that's it. Improper, right? So just let's understand. Yesterday we seen that, right? This Amazon application, right? This Amazon application. Fine now, guys. So okay, so here just normally in the right in the monolithic application, right? In the monolithic, just assumption, our assumption is there, right? Our assumption is what? This is the Amazon application, right? In this is the Amazon application. In the Amazon, this is the Amazon application is there. In this one, this one normally what things will happen now, guys? So just what is that? I'm taking search module. Search module is there. Search module is just this code. After completing this code size is what? 10 MB, right? 10 MB, yeah, fine. Memory sizes I'm giving, guys. Okay, memory sizes, just this is the assumption I'm giving, right? 10 MB. 10 MB, right? 10 MB. After then what? Cart module is there, right? Cart module is there. Cart module also taking what? 10 MB only, right? 10 MB. Okay, 10 MB, fine. So after then what? Payment, right? Payment module also taking what? 10 MB, right? 10 MB, 10 MB, right? 10 MB, fine. So this is the application. Then after then what will happen now? This is the we are converting in the var file. After then what we are doing now? This var file we are deploying inside that server, right? Come on. App dot what? App dot var, right? This is the var file.
Yes,
This
Ravi.
all module, right? All services we are converting in a single var, and this var we are deploying inside that server, right? So yeah, this var file we are deploying in the server. Okay, fine now. So okay, good. So just this is the server now, guys. Okay, this is the server itself only. This is the server itself only. Good. So inside that, okay, so if see 10 MB this module, 10 MB this module, 10 MB this module, what is the total size now, guys? What is the total size in the
30
server?
MB.
This var file, how
30
much?
30
MB.
Right, good.
30 MB.
30 MB, right?
30 MB.
Yeah, good. 30 MB. Okay, good. So if like just normally if we are deploying this var in multiple instances, this var we are deploying in a multiple instances, what is the problem, guys? Okay, what is the problem? Just those problem I want to show you guys. Okay, so let's understand, then we will design the microservices project, right? Project, then we will see that what is the benefit to implement microservices project, right? So now good. So here what 30 MB is there now, just assume that. Okay, so yesterday normally we seen that. Okay, so what is that in this one? If we are deploying, just assumption, right? This var we are deploying in the 3 server, right? Just assume that. So what will happen now? So same things here will happen, right? So I'm taking one, no, sorry, app.var, right? App.var, good. App.var, this is the one instance, this is the another instance, same project, right? App.var, app.var, again I'm taking one more, right? App.what var, right? 3 instances, we are deploying this project in a 3 instances, right? This is the server one, this is the server one, this is the server one, right? This is the first server, server one, server one, this is the server 2, this is the server 2, and this is the server 3. This is the server 3, right? So okay, good. So just assume that, right? Just assume that if we are deploying this var, then what is the size now, current size? What is the current size of this server inside this server, this instance? 30
30
MB.
MB.
Okay guys, good. 30 MB, right? 30 MB, good. 30 MB, fine. And how much by default request is accepting this one now? Slash 200, right? 200, right?
Yes, max 200. 200 max.
No, by default server request handling capacity is what? 200, right? Come on, yesterday we seen that.
Yes.
So same
Yes.
like, yeah. Okay, so here also same only, right? Come on, 200 plus what is that? 30 MB here also, because same project we are deploying in the different instance also, na? Come on, yeah.
Yes, by default. Too.
Okay, so here also what? 200, right? 200 plus what is that? 30 MB, fine. 30 MB, 30 MB, okay, 30 MB, good. So to managing these things, some one more server will come. What is the server name, guys? Load balancer, na?
Load balance.
Yeah,
load balancer.
LBS. I'm taking the LBS, right? Fine. Okay, good. So just assume that our client is making the request, guys. Okay, so from here, just assumption, only one client I'm taking. Okay, don't think in the real time only one client will be there. Okay, so here what our client started to making the request. So just normally, right? So normally just I'm taking what is that search module is there, right? So how many modules are there, guys? So in this project, cart search cart, right?
3 modules.
Search cart and payment 3 modules there, na?
Payment.
3 modules is there,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Yeah,
In this
Yes,
project also, in this project also, in this project also. Come on, in 3 var file, this 3 file, 3 vars is running in 3 different server, guys. But what is that? Every having this three instances, right? 3 projects, na? Come on, 3 models means 3 services. Come on, guys. These 3 here also there, and same is there here also, and here also. Same is there here also, and what? Here also. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So just assume that, right? Just assume that search module getting the request, right? Near about 400 request is coming for what? Request is coming for what? Search module. search module, right? 400 request is coming for search module, and just 100 request is coming for what? 100 request is coming for what? Cart module. Cart module, right? And what is that? 100. Let's take any number you can take, guys, but 100 request I'm taking what? 100 request I'm taking for the payment module, right? Payment module. Okay, so our load balancer, just here what will happen now? Our client is making the request. Okay, so just assume that in first, right, 200, because if just our load balancer is given the chance to whom 400 requests at a time, 400 request is coming, 400 request is coming, right? So our load balancer is started to giving the chance to whom? First server, right? First server itself only. So 200 request is coming in this server, but because only 200 requests having the capacity to accept one server, na? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
The default server.
So, and
having
what is
only
that? And
200
200,
requests.
because 400 request is there. And what will happen now? Same time, what will happen now? This request and our load balancer server is distributed 200 requests to what? Another server. So means what? It's managed, right? 200 request here, 200 request here. Come on.
Remaining 200 is the handle 3.
Handled by another
Yeah.
server.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now 100 request is assume that another people started to making the request, means what? Started to searching. Just normally whenever you are buying anything from the e-commerce website, search first. You guys are searching only, na? Search operation only performing. I want mobile, then you guys are searching the mobile in that e-commerce website, right? So after then what? Request. After then what? 100 request is coming for what? 100 request is coming for what? Add to cart item, right? So first is busy, first server is busy, our load balancer is checking. Second one is busy. Now then here it will check, oh, this instance is free now. So what will happen now? So 100 requests is utilizing in this instance. Come on, correct now?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, then again
Yes.
100 request is coming for payment also, right? Payment also. Then what? Again same thing here also. In this instance, this all instances are busy now. All request, like this instance is totally full, and here this one also full. Then what will happen here? 100 request is still having the capacity to accept this instance, na? Come on, guys.
Yes, S3.
Yeah, so
Yes, Ravi.
here
accessing.
okay, this request is coming, but just assume that, guys, just what is my intention to explain it, right? But here what is that? In this project also, in this, whenever we are creating the var file, in this one, what is that? Search also there, which size is 10 MB, right? Which size is 10 MB, right? And after then what is that? Cart, right? Cart service also there, which size is 10 MB, which size is 10 MB, right? Which size is 10 MB. And what is that? Payment also there, right? Payment also there. That size also, what is that? 10 MB. Total is what? 30 MB, right? Like this only we are divided, right? Our sizes we divided. Come on, give the response,
Yes,
guys.
Ravi.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so understand the things is understand, just understand why I'm explaining this one, guys. Okay, so good. Okay, so what will happen? But what is that? This server is busy, full busy for what? Search module only, right? Search module only. This server is fully busy with what? Fully busy with what? Search module itself only, guys. Okay, search module itself only. Then what is that? But still, what is that? 10 MB, what is that? Is wasted or not? Because only search module utilization is happening in the server, because the request means what? All 200 request is coming for what? Search only, means what? There is no space, right, to accept a request. Come on. So what will happen now? This one is also running in the server because server is started, right? So this one also is running in the server. This one also is running in the server. Means what? Only what is what happened now, guys? Only here what is that? This module utilization is there, and this one is what in the ideal state. Come on, this one is the in the this server. What is that? ID in the ideal stage. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
both are
So means what
ideal
is
state.
that?
Both will be.
So means what? Means what? Here how much memory utilization is there? Only 10 MB, right? 10 MB utilization is
MB.
there, and what is that? 20 MB is what? Waste only, right? In this request, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
20
Yes,
20
it's waste.
20 MB is not usage is there, right? This memory is not utilizing, but what is that? This only 10 MB utilization is there. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
so
teacher.
okay, fine now, guys. So let's understand same things here also again. Okay, so I'm copying this one. Okay, so here also same only I'm taking, and here also I'm taking the same only, right? Okay, so now understand, right? So here what will happen now? So here in this case, what is a 200 only? What is a search in this server also? In this server also, what is that? 10 MB only utilization is there. Still 20 MB is like what? Waste or not, guys? Come on, come on.
Yes, waste.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Okay,
Part only two.
okay. So now here what is that? Here search module is waste, right? Here what is that? Another module, another module utilization is there, guys. Okay, another module utilization is there. Here what is that? Payment utilization is there. What is that? And what? Card utilization is there. But what is that? A search utilization is not there. Means what? Here what? 30 10 MB memory is wasting or not, guys? Here 10 MB memory is wasting
Yes,
or
Ravi.
not? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
waste.
Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
right?
Yes,
10
Ravi.
10
Yes.
MB usage utilization is there, right? 10 MB. So we created it. So for that, what is that? What is that? This is the problem. May utilization is there, and may not utilization is there, guys. We can't say just assumption, but load balancer, based on the load balancer will distribute, but like that will things will happen, right? Like this, what things will happen. So if we create what a monolithic application for every instances, is somewhere noise is happening, yaar. Why? iPhone and Praveen. See, if you are not there in right place, mute yourself. Okay, just listen the session. I don't want your response. Whoever they are in sitting in the silent place, those only can unmute yourself or use the chat box. That's it. At the time of explanation, if noise will happen, I can't able to write explain, because so many concentration need, guys, okay, to explain anything. Because here, if any unnecessary thing, if I explain here, the people all are the experienced people, okay? I'm not teaching to a student, not a 1 year 2 year experience. Everyone having little, like fresher, no one is there in the session fresher, I think. Everyone having the experience 2 year 3 years. If I start to explain what anything, if I deliver, people will catch me, right? Yeah, so there's no issue, okay? No issue. Just listen it, okay? So, but the things is cooperate it. Because of one person, 30 member is there in the session, right? They are also disturbing. Okay, good. So here what? Search module is there. 10 MB, 10 MB only utilization is there now, guys. So memory wastage is there or not, guys? Memory wastage is there or not in what? In monolithic application, right? Okay,
Yes,
good,
Ravi.
good. So,
Yes,
normally, guys, if we create monolithic application for every instances, memory is allocated for all module, even if those are not used properly also, right? Even those are not used what properly also, but still our server is what providing the memory
Okay.
for those module. Come on, right? So
Yes,
just
Ravi.
yeah,
yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Satish, switch off your camera. So good. So
sorry, Ravi.
no issue, no issue. Okay, so if we create monolithic application, for what? For for every every instance, memory allocated, for all module, for for all module, even if those are not used properly, right? If those are not, yeah, memory wastage is there, right? So based on request count, right? Based on request count and load balancer server, guys. Okay, based on that, what request count and a load balancer, right? Load balancer, they may be used or may not be used, right? They can be a resource, then we can say that resource utilization improper or not, guys. We can say that resource utilization proper or not.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Ravi.
Yes.
So that means if one module is used fully, other one may not be used. In that case,
Used.
memory allocated, right? In memory wastage is there or not? Memory wastage is there, na?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi. Yes.
So now then the question, then the question is what? What is the solution of this?
Solution.
Solution is of this. So the solution is what? Microservices. So now let's yeah, the solution is what? Microservices. And let's understand the first, we will understand what is a normal architecture based on that this load balancer server only, right? Based on that load balancer server only, then I will give what brief diagram, right? Brief diagram, and that diagram only we will learn what 2 months, guys. Okay, that diagram only we will learn 2 months, right? So now focus on here, guys. Focus on each and every point, guys, because each and every initially 1 2 3 4 classes, right? The like this theory is more important than what doing the practical. Even whenever you will sit in the interview, interviewer will ask these question only. So okay, good.
Okay, Ravi.
Sure, sir. Concentrate.
Okay, so now the solution, right? Let's understand the same things only, guys. Okay, same things. First we will understand using microservices, using what is that microservices architecture. We will understand the same things only, then we will design the full microservices design. Okay, and please promise me, right? Promise me, everyone will take the what pen and paper and 3 to 4 times that design you guys only design yourself, right? And remember every time those design, because without that design, if you think about that key, I'm able to learn what microservices, there is no possibility. Why slowly I'm teaching guys here? Because I know that, right? In a single time, like if you if in a single time, first time if I explain also, right, you guys will not understand. By seeing that diagram only, right, the people will think about how I can learn. But no worry, guys, 2 to 3 times if you draw that diagram, definitely that diagram will become in your mind permanent, right? Permanent. So good. So the solution, right?
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah, the solution is what? The solution using what? Microservices. Microservices, right? Microservices. Okay, so let's understand the same things, guys. Okay, so here microservices is saying that what? Hey developer, don't worry, I'm giving my microservices architecture. uh, uh, take this module as a what? A single project. Take this module as what? Single project. Okay, so good. So whenever we are declaring these things, right, whenever we are creating the same thing, so what I'm doing now, just I'm copying this one, same things I'm copying here also, right? Copy it and here. Okay, so fine now, guys. So don't worry, right? Just what is that? Microservices is saying that key one module equal to one project. But here what is that?
One project.
Combination of what? All module equal to what? In the
One project.
monolithic
One
One
project.
project.
in the monolithic application, what is that? In the monolithic application, what is that? Combination of all module, right? All services equal to what?
All
One
modules equal
project.
to one
One project, right? One project.
Two
But
Yes.
projects.
in the term, in the microservices, right, in the microservices, one module equal to one project, right?
One
So
project.
okay,
Yes.
so what you have to do
Yes,
now?
Ravi.
What you have to do now? Do the like search module is there. Search module is there. Just create this search module in the var file. Search dot var, right? Search dot var, this is the one project. And what is that? Convert this one also inside that what? Cart dot what? Var, right? Cart dot var. And what? The create payment dot var, right? Payment dot var. This one, these three projects are there, right? Convert this. Yeah, sorry for that. Now fine, right? Actually network issue is there,
Yes,
guys.
Ravi.
Everything is fine, na?
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi.
okay, good. Okay, if anywhere any disturbance is happening from my side, guys, okay, let me know that. Okay, I will clarify that one. I will check my net. Okay, so because a little bit like I don't know, nowadays net is not working here properly. So search module, okay, this is the one project. And what is that? This is the one project. This is the one project, and this is the one project, and this is the one project. So in this case, okay, in this case, what will happen now? So whenever we are following microservices, what? Microservices design, right? So in this case, what? In this case, what? So here the one server, in a one server, in a two servers. Just I'm taking any multiple server, you can take it, guys. Okay, no issues. So I'm taking what? 5 server. Okay, now here I'm taking the 5 server and I'm deploying that this instance in the 5 servers, right? 5 servers. 5 servers, right? So here what I'm doing now, so here just see that. So here what? Server 1, right? Server 1, here what? Server 2, here server 2, and here what? Server 3, and here what? Server 4, and here what? Server 5, right? Server 5. Okay, so at the time just 10 MB, right? Just observe this one, guys. Okay, so here what? Here what? Only one module is there. We converted this module in what? Only one var file. Then how? What is the file size here now, guys? 10 MB, right? Come on. 10 MB, right?
Yes, sir.
This one
Yes,
also.
Ravi.
This one will
Yes.
also what? 10 MB, right? 10 MB. This one
10
also 10
MB.
MB. And what is that? This one also 10 MB. Correct?
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
correct.
Yes,
so
Ravi.
here what we are doing now, we are deploying this one, right? So here what? This is also we deployed in the two server, right? We deployed search module in so search project in 2 servers. So here search.var is there. One here one here also I'm taking, right? Here also I'm taking, and cart module I deployed, right? And let's take here also, right? Search module here also I'm taking, right? So here just what is that 10 MB, right? So here I'm deploying in the server what cart module, cart.var, right? Here cart.var in the server, cart.var is there, guys. Okay, so of course here server is increasing, but I will show that memory utilization is there in here properly. So here I'm taking what pay.var, payment project I'm deploying in this server now. Okay, good. So fine, guys. Okay, so here what is that? Here what is that? See this here 10. Here what is the size of what project now? 10 MB, right? In this server, come on, 10 MB na?
Yes, Ravi.
10 MB. And
Yes,
how
10
this server by default, how much request can be accept? Only 200, right?
What?
By
Okay, so
default 200.
here also 10 MB. Here also 10 MB, and here also the same only, right? Same.
Yes.
200.
200.
Yeah. 10 MB and what?
0 to 200.
200. Here also 10 MB. And 200.
200 request.
200 request, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so now good, guys. So here what is that? Just I'm taking, right? What? So here let's take total memory size. Take what is that? 10 MB, 10 MB, 10 MB, 10 MB, 10 MB. How much size, guys?
50 MB total.
Total memory, right?
3 MB. Yes.
Yes.
Total
Yes.
total size is what? Size is what? 50 MB, right? Sorry, 50 MB na? Come on.
Yes, 50 MB.
Yes.
Okay,
Ravi. Yes.
okay, guys. Here, just see this. What is the magic now? Here, 5 instances, 50 MB only, right? And now observe here in this design. Okay, 3 server and 30 MB here. Total size is what? 30, 30, 30. Total 90 MB, right? Come
Yes,
on,
Ravi.
90 MB is there,
Yes,
right?
90 MB.
In the
Yes.
3 here, what total size is what?
90 MB.
90 MB.
Total size equal to what?